Dark, baby. Dark mode always. Protect your eyes, baby.
I can do it in my left or do it in my right, I'll get myself paid. They keep talking about the grind, but ain't got the hustle, never take my place.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So obviously you can see this setup's a little bit different. So today I'm doing a video, I'm doing an iPad unboxing because I just got an iPad, and I'm just going to show you guys how I'm basically preparing for third year. So like what my sort of like setup is and how I'm basically going to stay on top of my game, because we're getting a first this year. That is the goal, to get first overall. So I'm kind of going back to these type of videos for a bit. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's free. And yeah, let's just get into it. For my course, my uni course, I am in uni 1 day a week and then everything else is online. This year I'm deciding to do my notes online. That's basically why I got the iPad. I usually write my notes and I've done it in the past. It's up to you what you want to do, but personally it's long. I'm typing up my notes, and yeah, that's the method I'm going to use. I got the 2020 iPad. This is the new one. It's really nice. I ordered the 2019 one because this one wasn't in stock and it was saying like October, and I was like, honey, I'm not waiting. So I got that one, and then literally this came into stock on John Lewis. Apple doesn't have it till October, so yeah, 8th generation iPad. Got it in space grey, Wi-Fi. And I got 32 gig one because I don't need like a big memory. Let's open this baby up. So I've never actually had an iPad before, so this is very exciting. You girls struggling. Okay, this is what are we working with. Okay. Oh, it's got the new, like, I think the 11 Pro has this plug, which is lit. Exciting. Okay. Oh my god, it's really nice. I've ordered a case as well, but it hasn't come yet. Lovely. Oh my god, peng. Oh my god, it's so big. Lovely. I believe the main differences between this and the 2019 one are basically just like speed and like camera quality as per. Like, I don't think there's anything that different because I've watched lots of videos. Apple don't stock the 2019 one anymore, and John Lewis does. I don't know about other places. But yeah, I don't think I think some iPads have Face ID. This one doesn't. It's just Touch ID. And I'm gonna set it up later because I honestly can't be bothered. Don't show my analytics. Dark, baby. Dark mode always. Protect your eyes, baby. Love it. Lovely. So the first thing, the first thing I'm going to download is Google Calendar. I prefer it to normal calendar. This is the kind of thing it will look like. And we're going to get Microsoft OneNote. OneNote is what I'm going to be doing my all my uni notes on, and then I'm basically going to show you how I make it all happen. So obviously that's the iPad, love it. And then I'm gonna just show you what's happening with my laptop. If you have a MacBook, might want to do the same thing, because I will show you what I've done. As you can see, that we've got Hannah Uni, we've got Shittu, and I've done this recently, and I think this is what I'm gonna like use to help me stay in check. Shittu, this is literally for my day-to-day whatever, literally when I'm using my laptop, anything apart from uni. I've then got one that's called Hannah Uni, and this is where I'm going to do all my uni stuff. The reason I'm going to keep them separate is because it will literally help me stop being distracted. So background, do your work. That's my background, that's going to keep me in check. I've then also got a little folder up here and it basically says it's just uni folder, and that's where I'm going to keep all my uni stuff. I've only got 2 modules at the moment. I'll eventually have all my modules in here, like documents, or when we get like a text to read and anything like that, I'm going to keep them within here. So you can see for this one I've already got useful documents in here, and then I need to actually put these all into unit 1. Like, I'm making everything really easy for myself. If there was a lot of units, you can literally search unit 1 or whatever when you go to revise. Have a MacBook, you probably do this already. I'm pretty sure you can do it on Windows and stuff as well, but it is obviously just really easy because you can have the lecture here, and then you have like your notes on the side. But obviously now I've got my iPad, I won't need to do that. And I also need to get my student app on here. That's another thing. Canvas is my student app. Do it either way. I can either have the lecture on here and do my notes on my iPad, or I can do it the other way around. Literally, like, I can do it either way, which is great. So if you don't have OneNote and you are going to be doing your notes online, I highly recommend. Basically with OneNote, again, you can have it on all your devices, like your laptop, your computer, you can have it on your phone, and it's a bit like Google Docs. If you know about Google Docs, it's like in the cloud. You can use it offline and you can also use it online, so there's no, oh, I forgot, you literally log in and it's on any device, which is great, fantastic. These 2 are my modules at the top, and you literally select your note. I've done a notebook per module, and I'm just going to add these onto here, and then they download. Just wait for them to come through. Yep, so like literally you've got your notebooks here, and then you literally have like sections of the notebooks and then like pages in the notebooks. So I've done like units, and then I've done like each lecture can obviously have like its own page, and then with it, obviously I have it on dark mode. I just like everything dark because my eyes, protect your eyes. So yeah, and then obviously you can like draw in it as well, which is great. Obviously if you have like a pen, so you move it and then you can, which is fab. OneNote, highly recommend. Perks you can use on any device. You can literally type up your notes, draw them. Like, it's just so easy to use, and I like how it like looks and the setup and everything. Like your lecture on big screen, and then you'll just be like type in or whatever, you know the vibe. I know it's going to be online at first on here, and then when it comes to like exam times I might write them. I will show you the really cute notebooks that I got. I got this from Tesco. Like, isn't this so cute? And then this is for one of my modules, so I've just written like the unit structure and stuff. If your uni uses Canvas, which is like an app where like all your stuff is on, and that's really good as well. I will show you the Google Calendar and why I like it. My uni anyway, you can download your uni timetable onto your calendar, and usually it just goes to your normal iPhone calendar, but with Google Calendar I prefer the layout of it. Loading. Cool, so basically going to be time blocking everything. As you can see, there's a lot of colours going on. How I've basically done this is you can add different calendars. So I've got like a gym calendar, I've got a leisure calendar, I've got a uni calendar, I've got work calendar, and I've got like a YouTube and social, so that'll be like editing, filming, and then each thing is colour coded. So like maybe for like the gym calendar is blue, so I know every blue box is the gym, and then I'll write obviously maybe what session it is or whatever, and then put the time of the day. So that's literally time blocking. It really doesn't take long, it's easy to like move, and on Google Calendar I just really like the way it looks. Let me just show you. So my friend's dinner, like some of them it does this as well, like it has this cool little pattern that I really like. When you type in words like dinners and stuff, like it will do that, which I love. Also, I added my uni calendar on here. It's not on here right now, but I just need to, tap the box. Yeah, so the purple things, I'm not sure if you can see, is literally my uni calendar. Obviously you can have it like this, you can have it on your laptop again. I've got the same like app on my phone where it's literally just like this. It's obviously just looks a bit different, but these things are going to keep you in check. When you don't know what you're doing, look at your Google Calendar and it will tell you, which is great. Like these are like I feel like my go-to apps. Flora, and it's basically a focus app, and I'm going on to do things. You basically set a timer of how long you want to focus for, and then let me just start it, and then it basically like grows a tree for you, and then if you come off it, the fake tree dies, but obviously if that's not really gonna be an incentive enough, like literally the tree dies and it's just a bit sad, you know, if that's not going to be an incentive enough, then you can literally you can put money in, you can plant with money, and then that money I believe then goes to like planting trees, which is actually really good. So you can literally put like, if you need to focus, you can put £100, put your Apple Pay details, and if it's adapting and you honestly really need to focus, then you can't break the thing, and obviously you just can't go on any of your apps or whatever, which is really good. But yeah, that's pretty much like the plan of how I'm going to do my notes for this year. I'm literally going to be using my new iPad, my laptop, and yeah, and a little bit of like pen and paper. Your girl is typing everything. Like I do not have the time to be sitting there writing. Like I need to be like efficient this year, and I feel like that's really gonna help me. The apps I've mentioned, like definitely try them out. Let me know if you do try them out, and how you get on. Also, I still am using a paper planner. It basically is quite similar to my Google one. Again, color coordinated. The colors basically match with the Google ones, and like I don't know, I just prefer to use both. Like this probably is a little bit more rough, and then there's more detail in the Google one because it's just like easier to add stuff in. But yeah, I hope that was just, I don't know, a little bit helpful, gave me a little bit of an insight, a little bit of motivation to get productive if you're like looking to do your notes online, kind of thing, like what you can use, because I really like OneNote and I feel like you should try if you're doing your notes online. If you let me know, but I'm going to be doing a lot more videos that are like this and like productive, uni related or whatever. But yeah, I hope that was enjoyable, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.